In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to make a random facade using Dynamo and using parametric curtain panel. First, we will create massing, building massing, maybe the height, maybe the length 30 meter or 40 meter, 25, yes, fine. And then we will make this like a curve to make it a little bit difficult using spell line, like this, and like this, and like this. Then we will create the massing. We will control here the height 15 meter, something like this, and maybe we will elongate this also if we want, even after finishing the mass. This would be our facade. And then we can elongate this also if we want. Then creating curtain system. This curtain system we will duplicate called random curtain wall and make it by fixed number. Okay. Then increase this to 8 maybe to give a bit. Then we will create a curtain panel and load it inside this one. So we will make parametric one, file, new, family, curtain wall panel. We will go for exterior and then we will extrude and then lock it. And then we will make another one. Don't bother yourself if this distance is not equal. We will do it parametric. From here to here and from here to here. So we control this, we control this. This one we will control it now by this. And this one finally we will control it by this. Okay. This will make it parametric. And we call it the width of the. Make sure you are using the capital, uppercase, capital letter. Okay. This one we will use it width. This one we will use it. Don't bother yourself, it is not integer number. We will adjust later. Then we will make okay, fine. Here later on we can adjust this one to make it 200, for example. Apply, so it works. We will make a reference plan like this. Reference plan RP. Print RP and make it in the middle. Making anything in the middle is very easy. Like this, and you click on equal. Okay. We don't care about this distance because this is parametric. It will be adjusted to the to this panel. If you increase it, to increase its parametric, like adaptive, but not adaptive. Like adaptive. Okay. So we did the frame. We will did inside the frame the glass. Create extrusion and then from here to here. Make sure you lock it. I will make a hole in the middle, a circle hole in the middle. And we will make this parametric called dia. Dia for diameter, and make it instant. Make everything instant. Since we are using Dynamo, it should be everything in the family, it should be instant. So we will use it in the Dynamo. So it will be instantly for each panel, it will move. Then we will get the randomizing of the panels, as we will see. Okay, we'll make it like this. Make glass normally 20 mm or 30 mm would be enough. Material, we will use material anything material, plastic or aluminium. This aluminium anodized, this is okay, we will use it. Click OK and click OK. And then we will make finally here inside this glass, create extrusion and then circle, make any diameter and then click on this one and take dia. So it will be on the same, must be on the same. This one we will not aluminium, we will make it glass. Glass, okay, fine. This one, it should be this one parametric also. This is the depth, and it should be instant. Depth. Okay, fine, good. Then we will go for this 3D, make it shaded so we can. This color is very whatever. To make sure it is parametric, this 600 will make it 400. Apply. Make it 200. Apply. I did not see it. This is the diameter. Make it 500. And the depth, make it 100. Apply. So the depth become 100. This one width, make it 300. Okay, so 200 is fine for this one, 300 is fine, and 500 is fine. Okay, this will be all parametric and changing with Dynamo. Save. Random facade, we will call this curtain panel. With dia. Okay. Curtain panel with dia. And wait for 3, 1 just enough. And then we will load it. We will load it into the project. Then this is our project. No need for this one, you can close it. It is already loaded from here. This curtain panel, we called it random curtain panel. Edit. This is curtain panel, it's none, because this is not a curtain wall. It's just curtain wall without panel loaded. So we will load what we created. Curtain panel with dia. And apply. It will be like this. We will make it shaded. Okay. We can switch off the massing so we can see it clearly. Okay, then we will use Dynamo to randomize all this parameter. To collect this one, we get category. This is a way of selection in Dynamo. Category, and to bring all element of category, the easy way is to do in selection like this. Click on selection and you'll find it, second and third one, all element of category, this one. Make it not automatic, make it manual. Why? Because sometimes will crash if you are using automatic. This one is curtain panel. Press C on your keyboard so it will make it easy for you. Curtain, and search curtain panels, and then run to make sure how many pieces. 1 2 3 4 5 5 by 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, which means 44. It should be here 45. Yes, this is right, 45. And make sure it is curtain panel. Okay, fine. Then we will say set parameter element parameter name. We have dia, for example. Normally this is coming string. Normally if you are working Dynamo too much, you will know that all the parameter name will come in string. If you write it here capital, it should be capital. If you write it small, it should be small. Which means I will open one of this one, edit family. It is dangerous to open something when Dynamo is working, so we'll give you this one in red color. He's now is not pointing to the current document. There is another document coming here. This is dangerous. So this is dia with capital. This is depth capital. This is width capital. If you do this with a wrong spelling, you have to commit to this wrong spelling. Otherwise, the Dynamo will not, script will not working. So dia, capital, and depth and width. What is dia? What is depth? Dia is parameter of this one. Width is the parameter of this one. Depth is the thickness of this one. Like so. This is the thickness. So when I click here, this will be yellow. Dynamo is now available because Dynamo is working on only one file, this one, and it's better to close it. Anyhow, we'll not close it, maybe we will need it. This one will be dia using capital, uppercase, letters, and the value. Value will make it random. How we will make it random? We'll make it sequence and then shuffle. This is the easy way to make it sequence. Sequence start from where? Dia starting from 200 or 300. So the starting will be 200. Double click and 200. This is the easy way to make it number. Amount, which means how many lists. This is 45. How we can know that this is 45? We make count. COUNT count. And this one. This count will be the amount. And of course the list will be like this. Step will make it slide number. And I will tell you why. The range from 0 or from 1, whatever, to make it 25, and then step 1. It will increase 1, 2, 3, 4, like so. like this. And make it 7, and then we will change it. This is the increment, the step, the increment. And then we will put shuffle. Shuffle, maybe use this one in playlist, in recording, or so it will choose randomize this list. Since we are doing the random, this is the randomized machine engine. Okay, and then we will run. So he will change this diameters. See, it's random. It's small, big, big, small, small, big. It's random. So it is all small. So we will increase the sequence. This is a step in the sequence to 13. So it become bigger now. It become bigger. This is looks nice. Looks enough. And then we will organize this little bit to be neat. And then we will make this as a group. It's very nice option. So this one is dia, and then Control C and Control V. We'll make you another one. This one we will call it dips, D-I-P-T-H. Then we will use this to dips, same spelling, D-I-P-T-H. If you mistake in spelling this one, it will not work. Control V again, since you are making Control C only one time. Then Control V to give you, and width. This one we will make it width, W-I-T-T-H, width. Then we will run it and see. He will change in this as a width and change in this as a depth and make it randomize. Why is giving this? Because sometimes the width is going inside this circle, so you have to be careful. Minimize. We will minimize the width. Maybe the width is starting from 200, make it from 100. And this one is 13, make it not 13, make it 11. Run. I hope this time it will not give you an error. Yeah, that's it. See, the width of this panel is very less. This is very big. And depths, we will increase the depths a little bit. Make it here not 100, make it 100, and try it again. See? This one, this is the depth. It will change. This will give a good idea to the client about the facade you will make it, and every time you make run, it will change it. So it's very good for you to deal with the client and tell him you like this one, he don't like, you like this one, and then you will increase the width of the beam, and everyone give you another one random, and maybe you are using something in sun shading, like sun pass off, and use the country which is a client. He's living, maybe live in Boston, live in Baghdad, living in Kuwait. We choose the country from here. I will not go through this. This is another lecture. And then you will change the sun movement. And then you will show him the shadow. Then you switch off this one. So it's a good presentation for him. Tell him in the morning the facade will be like this. In the evening the facade will be like this. It's good for presentation with the client. In the evening it will be like this. The afternoon it will be like this, but in the morning it will be like this. So he will know his product at all the day, how it will be. And then you will run the script again in the front of the client and tell him this is your final product. It will be like this. If you don't like, you will run it again. And then if you want to increase this one of the nice issue also in this massing, if he increase the building height, so you can do it in the front of him. Then when update, it will be update automatically. And maybe also he will increase this one, the length of the building. See how fast. And then you will run the script. You will randomize all this again. You can increase the width in this case. Since you increase it, it's up to you. This Dynamo script gives you all the facility to do all this. Width also you can increase. If the range is not sufficient in this one, you can increase it to 50. Like so. It was a good presentation. I hope this will be useful. If you will like and subscribe my channel, you will find more video like this, and I will upload this REVIT file and the Dynamo script also in the channel, in the video in YouTube. Thank you for watching.